Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Ionic character questions look scary, but this one is fast if you compare bond types and electronegativity differences instead of memorizing random compounds. Ionic character increases when the electronegativity difference gets bigger, so start there. Identical atoms share electrons equally, while metal and nonmetal pairs usually pull unevenly and look much more ionic. For Cl2, both atoms are chlorine, so the electronegativity difference is 0, and it is least ionic. CaCl2 has calcium with chlorine, giving the biggest difference and strongest ionic character. That leaves PCl3 in the middle, because phosphorus and chlorine are different nonmetals, so the order is Cl2, PCl3, then CaCl2, which matches option A. Well done. Option A. Scan now. Trap, rushing signs and patterns. Rule, trust given information, and check each step before locking the order in.